Hey, I'm Tim Clabundi with Timmons Group. We're excited to have you on site this morning as we meet with LIV Development, and I'm really excited to be here with Lindsay, and she's going to talk a little bit about what's going on in this amazing project. We just were here for commercial coffee. I have to ask you this is a unique project in Manchester, really creating a whole new space. Can you tell us a little bit about the project and the amenity spaces even here?
Absolutely. So our amenity space, as you can see, definitely give everybody that wow factor that we really love. The second that they come through the door, that they're meeting with our leasing agents, the first thing that they're going to see is this beautiful kind of open space out to our resort style. Hold on.
Now in one of the units here. I think this has been one of the 3 bedrooms, and oh my goodness, this is huge space. Can you tell me a little bit about the units and what you have going on once you walk in your home and inside your front door?
Absolutely. So you are correct. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, which is pretty unique to this area. You're also going to notice, again, the size of this unit is pretty spacious. You're going to see tons of cabinetry. You're going to see an island. You're going to see more cabinetry below your island. Second thing people really do note about our units is the overall modern look of it. So you're going to see those gray cabinets, and you're going to notice that color scheme is going to carry over throughout the unit with our trim. And it's those little features and those small details that really make it feel like a home versus a rentable space.